Hey there, it's Wednesday evening, and I'm going to post a video making this tomorrow. This is the handle for the DiResta blade, and kind of interesting thing to, I didn't get this until late, so I had to kind of rush through it, so it limited what I could do, but I thought that this would be interesting, you know. But unfortunately, knives like this here in Canada are legal. Okay? A knife with a handle on it that has holes in it like this is illegal in Canada. As in, if you have it in your possession, even if you made it yourself, you can be charged and go, get a big fine, or if you don't pay the fine, they'll take you to prison, that type of fun stuff, for owning something like this. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to destroy the work that I did and make this knife legal. I'm going to cut this outer part off. Eventually, I think I'm going to get around to doing something better with the blade, okay? Because, this looks neat and all, but it's not exactly my taste in a knife. And then I don't really, I'm not out street fighting or anything. I don't have anybody showing up here trying to take my big screen TV. So I don't need a weapon like this at my disposal. And besides, I got like several guns. My original idea for this was to build it into a folder. Okay? So cut the tang free of the blade and then make a frame, a handle frame that the blade folds up into, and then put this thing, this tang part on the outside, or make part of it from that. Okay? So I may get around to doing that one day. So here it is. Look at it. This is way better, don't you think? Oh, I'm sure the people of Canada are thanking me for making my knife safer now. No one's going to get killed. All murders are going to cease now that I've made my knife legal to own and to operate. I can operate this out of my yard and I won't get reported. Right? Or at least I hope not. They still might report me. You never know. Anyway, so, yeah, this is it. Like I said, in all seriousness, I'll probably strip this handle off at some point and do something much more interesting with it. The only problem is, knife builds, for the most part, are kind of dead on YouTube. I don't know about this one yet, because this is Wednesday night, and I'm putting the video tomorrow, and there's going to be a whole bunch released at the same time. So, yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a market saturation on the knife videos, at least for a day. And I don't know. I like I like doing that kind of stuff though. So here's the paper test. Like this is how it shipped. I didn't touch this. I didn't sharpen this in any way. This is razor sharp. I actually cut my thumb. Yeah, on the serrated part, right into my thumb. I mean, people chastising me saying, you should tape it up. Yeah, tape is for pansies. Okay, there ain't no pansies here in my shop. There's scaredy cats. There's people that are afraid to own a knife with a plastic handle that has ring holes in it. Gonna be more likely to melt the plastic. So I just took the chance and did it on the table saw. But I've got to throw in something like this in every video just to keep the safety, police happy. What it does actually is weeds more of them out so that I can ban them and, delete their comments. I do that every day, like 2 or 3.